when we were in election, I was feeling the same like Sharif Oda Sahab was feeling, yeah? That we were not, this, what you can say, we have not been grown up in the system. We came later into the Jamaat, and especially we were not so acquainted with all the members, who participated. There were many elderly Bezirks. We know them, but we did not know their name, for example. I have a problem sometimes to connect name and person. Yeah? So I was always thinking, what to do. Yeah? And in this electoral atmosphere which were created, it was such a holy atmosphere that you were really concerned about what you have to do, how you did it. You were fully concentrated, and you have now a lot of responsibilities. You have to give your vote for, with 2-3 people. We were from Germany. All the Ahmadis from Germany, we are representing them in this election. We have to be 100% correct and full of taqwa and full of understanding and truthfulness. So I asked very careful my question to Chaudhry Aminullah Sahab. Aminullah Sahab, as we have in our elections always a situation that just for clearance, I did not say so openly that I said, it would be nice if the candidates stand shortly up and so that there's no misunderstanding. Yeah? So he fully understood immediately, and he said, please, now all candidates should stand up. So he named them, and they were standing up. And I felt Sharif Sahab, I saw a light coming from his eyes. So, I could see that I was not alone. And later on, he said to me too that, for him it was a very, very, very important issue, yeah, so that he was on the safe side. Yeah. Masroor Ahmed Sahab, yeah, who was coming on the last day then from Pakistan. Of course, I was knowing him. I have met him, but I was not knowing much about him. Yeah. I met him once in a marriage party. Also, I remember once I went in the office where he was working a long time before, in a section where he was responsible to collect the names and to control names of Musis and things like this. So I came with, posts from Germany to present it to him. But I had no idea, and I had no, clue that, he might be the right person or something like this. Yeah. After the election, I saw the members over there, who was there sitting. Yeah. But I was fully concentrated on myself. I know Brother Dadla was there, I know, because, and two of our imams were there. I was knowing that they were there, but I did not see them at that time. I did not look where they are sitting. I was just concentrated on myself, and was continuously in an hour, continuously in prayer. Yeah? When the name of Mirza Masroor Ahmed was then mentioned, I had no idea whether he's young or old, or this approach, where you think whether he's fitting or not fitting. But it was for me immediately clear that my voice will go to him. Yeah? So this was not a matter of rational thinking. Yeah? It was not a matter of that somebody was, drawing me to. It was clear. It was in that moment. It was clear. Even I was not. Thinking, "Oh, what happened? How I know it now?" Yeah. So it was in Germany we say Selbstverständlichkeit. It was such a self-understanding issue. Yeah. It was crystal clear that without any surprise, that when this name was there, that this is the name. Finish. Yeah. So I was even not thinking, if you were asking me that, I did not know who were all the other people standing there. Yeah? I had listened to names which I was knowing, yeah? But even I was not then looking whether the candidates stand up or not. I saw this name, I don't know, it was on third or fourth position, then matter was for me clear, and I was coming quiet, and I was just saying my prayer, and alhamdulillah, I had done my and I mean, this was a matter of feeling so satisfied, yeah, that all my prayer were fulfilled, yeah.